Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can pause an Instagram reel without holding them. So what you need to do first is go to on Instagram. I'm going to Instagram. After that, what you need to do is click on any reel. You can see you can find any reel. So what you can see, if I tap the reel, this reel is not paused. This is just unmuted and muted. Okay, so how you can pause this reel without holding or without tapping? So what you need to do, the only way to pause this reel is click on the recent option bar. That's how. Okay. You have to click on the recent option like that. You have to click on this. Then the reel will be paused. So this is how you can pause a reel, or you can screenshot it, screen record the reel. Then you can edit the reel or pause the reel in your CapCut or your video editing app. So this is how you can pause any Instagram reel without holding. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.